Let's start making the coconut corn pudding with 2 cups of coconut milk. One can evaporated milk. 1 can of condensed milk. 1 can of kernel corn. 3 tablespoons of cream corn. 1/2 cup of sugar. Add 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Mix well. Cornstarch mixture, 1 cup of cornstarch and 2 cups of water. On a medium-high heat, continue stirring until sugar is dissolved. Add the cornstarch mixture. Once the mixture is thickened, add 1 cup of all-purpose cream and 1/4 cup of unsalted butter. Keep on stirring on a low heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Let it cool down for 5 minutes. Once it cools down, transfer it to a container of your choice. Top it with grated cheese and toasted coconut curds. Chill overnight. Thanks for watching.